Hello, Cloud Nerds. In this video, you will learn how to create an Amazon SageMaker notebook instance. AWS offers a fully managed Jupyter Notebook environment via SageMaker notebook instances, as well as SageMaker Studio. You can use SageMaker notebooks to prepare and transform data, train models, deploy models to SageMaker hosting services, and to test them out. Let's get started. Open Amazon SageMaker console. From the panel in the left, expand the Notebook section and then choose Notebook Instances. Click Create Notebook Instance. For Notebook Instance name, you can type a suitable name. I specified my name as the Notebook Instance name. Notebook Instance type decides amount of compute and memory that would be allocated to your instance. Since I am launching this Notebook instance for a simple demo, I am going to keep the default instance type as ml.t3.medium, which also falls under AWS free tier. If you are using Amazon SageMaker for first time, you can create an IAM role by clicking this button. Before recording this video, I created a service IAM role called SageMaker Execution Role, which has Amazon SageMaker full access managed policy associated with it. As you can see, the SageMaker Notebook Creation Wizard pre-selected the same. Let's go ahead and create a notebook instance with default parameters. As you can see, SageMaker Notebook instance is now available for use. Now you can click on Open Jupyter or Open Jupyter Lab and explore sample notebooks via SageMaker Examples tab. Congratulations! You just learned how to launch an Amazon SageMaker Notebook instance. Now you can transform data and build models in AWS Cloud via code. Thanks for watching. Check out AWS certification books, linked in pinned comment, and suggest us topics for videos.